How to change Facebook password on mobile. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to change the password. Then move into menu at the bottom right corner and then click on this gear icon at the top right. Head over to see more in Account Center. Inside Account Settings, move into Password and Security. Well, at the very top, in the Login and Recovery, you can see the option of Change Password. You need to click on it. Now choose your Facebook account. Here you will be able to change your password. Enter the current password that you have been using and then create a new password. After that, re-enter the new password and then at the bottom, tap on Change Password. After that, your password of your Facebook account will be changed and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.